My name is Ainur Yesbolova and I work at Department Management and Marketing of im.Ауезова, South Kazakhstan University. And discipline will be just marketing research, which we just today will discuss about its qualitative research, its nature and approach, and plan will be consist in next steps, just the qualitative and quantitative research, and rationale for using qualitative research. And here just qualitative and quantitative research we just consider, and qualitative research is a method of inquiry just employed in various academic disciplines, traditionally in the social science but also in market research and further context. And here it focuses on understanding human behavior and the reason that governs such behavior. Unlike quantitative research, which seeks to quantify the data and typically applies some form of statistical analysis, qualitative research seeks to understand deeper meanings, experience, and the complexities of human interactions. And nature of qualitative research consists of 5 aspects. First one is the qualitative research inherently subjective, and it relies on the researcher's interpretation and understanding of the data collected. And here just second one is it emphasize the context within which data is collected, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Often used when little is known about a phenomena, qualitative research is exploratory and aims to generate hypotheses or theories. It provides rich detailed description of the phenomena being studied, often capturing the complexity of social interaction and behaviors, and typically uses an inductive approach to develop theories from the data collected rather than testing hypotheses and quantitative research. Characteristic of qualitative research includes exploratory and descriptive, emphasize depth over breadth, uses unstructured and semi-structured data collection methods. Data is textual or visual, and contextual understanding is crucial. And here just qualitative data collection methods includes interviews, which means it's structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Focus group, observation, case studies, document and content analysis. Method of qualitative research, as I said before, we here just main methods of qualitative data collection, and now just we consider each method separately. First one is interviews, conversation between the researcher and the participant to gather detailed information. Second one is focus groups, group discussion facilitated by the researchers to gather diverse perspective on a topic. And here, next one it will be observation, direct observation of participant in their nature setting and to gather data on their behaviors and interaction. Document analysis method, it's a review and analysis of document, text, artifacts relevant to the research topic. And here just journals and personal accounts just written by participant to provide insight into the experience and perspectives. Strengths of qualitative research provides detailed and rich data, flexible and adaptable to change, useful for exploring new areas, can uncover underlying just reason and motivations. Here just we can see that limitation of qualitative research, time consuming and resource intensive. Subject that can lead to bias. Difficult to generalize findings. Data analysis can be complex and ambiguous. And here just quantitative research we consider. A quantitative research is a systematic investigation that's primarily focused on quantifying data and generalizing results across populations. It often involves statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques to collect and analyze data. And this type of research is widely used in fields such as economics, marketing, and health sciences. And here just characteristics of quantitative research, structures and systematic, emphasize breadth and depth, use structured data collection methods, data is it's numerical, and statistical analysis is crucial. Purpose of quantitative research is, here just the main 5 aspects of purpose of quantitative research, and here just one of the main purpose is to you test hypotheses derived from theories, and it aims to confirm or refute just this hypothesis through empirical evidence. Quantitative research seeks to measure variables and understand their relationships. This can involve examining just how change in one variable affect another. And here, by using large and randomly selected samples, quantitative research aims to generalize findings to a large population. It aims to predict future trends and outcomes based on existing data. And quantitative research identifies its patterns, correlations, and causal relationship among variables. And quantitative data collection methods include surveys, online, phone, just face-to-face, experiment, longitudinal studies, cross-section studies, existing statistical data. And here just tools used in quantitative research. It's surveys and questionnaires we consider in deeply, just in particular, and structured tools for collecting data from a large number of respondents. They often include closed-ended questions with predefined just response options, and experiments controlled studies where variables are manipulated to observe their effect on other variables, and this includes laboratory experiments and field experiments. Observation tools, it means just a method for systematically observing and recording behavior without manipulation. Secondary data analysis, utilizing existing data collected for other purposes, such as government statistics, organization records, or previously conducted research. And here just we can see that statistical software tools like SPSS, SAS, and R, Stata for analyzing data, these programs offer a wide range of statistical tests and procedures. Sampling techniques, it's a method for selecting a representative sample from larger population, including random sampling and cluster sampling. Next one, it's measurement instruments, devices or tools used to collect data on specific variables, just such as tests, measurements, or standard assessment tool. And strength of quantitative research is allows for statistical analysis, can generate findings to a large population, more objective and reliable, and easy to replicate just studies. And limitation of quantitative research can lack context and depth, may not capture complex phenomena. Potential for missing out on new insights, limited by predefined just categories and options. Comparison, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative exploratory, subjective in depth, quantitative conclusive, just objective and broad. And different methods but complementary in research. And when to use qualitative just research, understanding underlying just reason and motivations, and exploring new areas where little is known, developing theories and hypotheses, studying complex phenomena in detail. When to use quantitative research, you can use it in process measuring variables and testing hypotheses, generalizing findings to a larger population, identifying patterns and relationships, conducting statistical analysis. And combining qualitative and quantitative methods, mixed research integrates both qualitative and quantitative approach to provide a more comprehensive understanding of a research problem. It allows for collaboration and validation of findings. And challenging qualitative and quantitative research includes ethical consideration, data quality and reliability, resource constraints, balancing depth and breadth in mixed methods. And here we can conclude just that qualitative research provides valuable insight into human behavior, experiences, and social process. And its various approach and methods allow research to explore complex phenomena in depth, offering understanding that complements quantitative research. We can see that the quantitative research is essential for generating reliable and generalizable findings across diverse fields. Its structured approach, use of statistical methods, and focus on numerical data enable researchers to rigorously test hypotheses, measure variables, and identify patterns and relationships within large databases. I need just to add that qualitative and quantitative research is very important in process marketing research, because thanks to these methods you can just get more information and can just deeply analyze your issue. And of course, you should just learn about it deeply and know that skills how to use it, especially the tools in the marketing research process. And thank you for your attention.